So I've got the JBL Flip 7 and I'll be showing you how to mute the sounds of this speaker, basically the feedback tones and sounds. So to do that, just go to the JBL portable app. You need to have installed it and set it up with the JBL Flip 7. I have a whole video on how to do that in case you don't know how to do that. So on the JBL portable app, if you open it, it's going to look like this. So you want to tap on product information and then you should see feedback tone. Okay, so you can now go ahead and disable that, and once you turn that off and go back, now you can navigate your speaker and it's not going to give you those feedback tones like the tone when you turn it on and you turn it off, such tones. Okay, so I can turn it on like this and it's not going to make any sounds. Okay, so that's basically how to mute the sounds and the feedback tones of your JBL Flip 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.